The Pyle 61-key piano is a versatile instrument equipped with a full range of stereo speakers and a music sheet stand, making it perfect for beginners to learn and perform. This digital keyboard offers a variety of preset selectable tones and rhythms, allowing users to explore different musical styles and add a drumming effect with its integrated button drum pad. With its aux audio interface, you can connect external devices and enjoy streaming audio, while the built-in rechargeable battery ensures portability and convenience. The record and playback mode is a standout feature, enabling users to capture their performances and monitor their progress, which is ideal for practice sessions or home performances. The included wired microphone allows for a karaoke-style experience, letting users sing along to their music, and the adjustable volume control ensures the perfect audio balance. Designed for both children and adults, this beginner-friendly keyboard with its digital LCD display provides an enjoyable and educational musical experience for all ages.